Okay, real quick. So when you're doing this to stretch your wrists, you want to make sure you're bending your knees as you push your wrists forward and slowly come back to the tip of your fingers. Go nice and slow, take it easy, breathing as you do these movements. Don't hyperextend that tailbone. Keep it tucked to the navel and use your legs, right? And just go nice and easy, forward and back. It's really good in strength on your wrist, and you will see the difference in a lot of your Olympic lifting, your push-ups, a lot of groundwork movements. This will be very beneficial to your wrist. Pull-ups, kipping, everything. You want to stand up nice and tall, glutes squeezed, in internal and external slow full circles. Then grab the tips of the fingers, flex them up, then fingers pointing towards the ground. Really stretching that wrist. Moving left, right, just feeling the fingers. Keep in mind, you still want to be breathing. Try to keep your chest up as much as possible. I'm telling you, you will see a big difference in a lot of your movements. Sometimes it's not that we get tired in our push-ups, our wrists begin to hurt. Same thing with donkey kicks. Anything on the floor, jiu-jitsu, any movement you're doing, grabbing things, typing, holding your child's hand, washing dishes, braiding hair. You really want to make sure you have strong wrists. Arthritis is a big thing. Carpal tunnel is a big thing. Just really work those hands, breathe into the vessels, breathe into those ligaments. Enjoy.